and total amount has been almost 12,000, 11,995. 12,000 generated in the last 2 weeks, right? Working from home. Okay, and I can teach you the same strategies that me, myself, my team are using to create amazing results. What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and you're here because you want to know about making money online. Is it really possible? Can you really create an income working from home? I just moved into my new place, right? A lot of people have been asking me, hey, how come you haven't done a video in a while? Well, I just moved in to my new place like 2 weeks ago. I just got my office up and running. I love it. But what I want to talk to you about is about taking risks in life, right? A lot of people search for an easy way out, right? And so there's so many people that I come across every single day. They send me messages every single day asking me, is it really possible to make money from home working with a legitimate online business opportunity? And I've been working from home for over 3 years now, right? Since 2014. And I quit my 2 full-time jobs. Okay, you tell me if it's real, right? I was able to quit my 2 full-time jobs, and now I'm working from home full-time. And it's been a phenomenal journey. Has it been easy? No, it hasn't, because there has definitely been a process right throughout these, while creating multiple 6 figures online. It doesn't just happen overnight, but if you're willing to educate yourself, if you're willing to go through some mentorship and some step-by-step training that will show you exactly how to build a business online using social media, then the sky's the limit. Actually, there's no limits as into what you can achieve. Social media is so powerful, right? Social media is so powerful. There are millions of people using Facebook. There are millions of people using Snapchat. There are millions of people on watching YouTube videos. There are millions of people looking for an extra way or extra ways to make money from home. The only thing that you need nowadays is a smartphone. If you have a smartphone, Wi-Fi connection, and if you're hungry for success, you can definitely change your life. In a little bit, I'm actually going to show you my back office. I'm going to log in my computer, and I'm going to show you just in the last 2 weeks how much I was able to generate working from home. And I'm not going to show you this to impress you, right? I'm going to share this with you to show you what is possible. Right? This year, I've been able to purchase my brand new car. I've been able to move into this beautiful home here in California, and I've been able to bless my parents. I've been able to travel all over the world, and it's been a blessing. And you can also change your life. You can also have a breakthrough. You don't have to wait till the beginning of 2018 to start taking action, to start changing your life. We still have 4 months left in this year. You can still finish this year strong, regardless of what situation you're in right now. And of course, this will take hard work and dedication, but if you're willing to be coachable, meaning if you're willing to go through the training and follow it step by step, and you're able to work as an independent person, then you can definitely achieve the same or even more results, right, than what I'm creating right now. So what we're doing here is copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media. When somebody responds to those ads, right, and they want to make money, they want to learn about making money online, they want to purchase a product, which is digital training that will show them the exact steps that I'm taking to make over 6 figures online just by using my smartphone, my laptop, right? That's where you're gonna be pretty much getting the same access that I give all of the rest of my students that are making an extra $300 a day. I have somebody making $5,000 a month, right? I have somebody making $100 a day. So there is training for everyone, right? Whether if you like, making videos, whether if you like doing offline marketing, whether if you want to do flyers, whether if you want to Just go ahead and post ads on social media, or post ads on Craigslist. We teach you everything from point A to point Z. Anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and log into my back office, show you just what I've been able to make in the past 2 weeks working from the comfort of my own home. So I just logged in to my back office. I'm gonna go ahead and just hit refresh here. So you can see I'm hitting refresh just to show you that this is a real back office report with Payz. And you can see right here, right, that's my name, Adriana Villegas, and it is 2:07 p.m. Adriana Villegas. And we're just gonna go ahead and go here. I'm gonna show you, right, I'm gonna show you here. Today is the 20th, Wednesday 20th. So from 2 weeks ago, starting on the 6th, and from today, the 20th, I'm gonna go ahead and click submit, and you're gonna be able to see that there's a little bar here that's gonna say loading. So you can see that it's actually generating the new results right there. Loading, submit again. So that's a 2-week period. And I'm gonna go ahead and just scroll down so you can see how much I've been able to make in the last 2 weeks. And total amount has been almost 12,000, 11,995. 12,000 generated in the last 2 weeks, right? Working from home. Okay, and I can teach you the same strategies that me, myself, and my team are using to create amazing results. I'm gonna go ahead and do from the beginning, from starting on the 1st. So in the last 20 days, I'm gonna go ahead and click submit. In the last 20 days, been able to generate almost 16,000, right? And I always say, if a college dropout can do it, you can do it as well too. This is what I want you to do. I want you to visit my website. Go to right here. You're going to go to www.richmindsets.com. Get the full details. All we're doing here is copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media. Get started with my team today. Message me after you're in so I can introduce you to the community and give you the step-by-step training. Other than that, I will see you at the top.